Hey guys, today I'm doing already reading and in math. Multiply a whole number by a unit fraction.
Find 1/4 times 16. First, build a model to show 1/4 times 16.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/4 times 16.
16 divided by
Now, complete the equation.
4. 4.
Well done. 1/4 times 16 equals 4. Find 1/3 times 6. First, build a model to show 1/3 times 6. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1. Now, complete the. Let's show the answer on the model. Find 1/5 times 15. First, build a model to show 1/5 times 15. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/5 times 15.
15 divided by 5.
Nice work. Now complete the. Let's show the answer on the model. Kevin runs 1/3 of a 4-mile relay race. He wants to know how many miles he runs. First, build a model to show 1/3 times 4. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/3 times 4. Now, complete the equation. Way to go! 1/3 times 4 equals 4/3. Kevin runs 4/3 miles. Find 1/6 times 3. First, build a model to show 1/6 times 3. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/6 times 3. Great! Now complete the equation. One sixth times 3 equals 3/6. Find 1/2 times 5. First, build a model to show. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/2 times 5. The model shows 5 divided into 2 equal parts. Now complete the equation.
5 to.
Let's show the answer on the model. Find 1/8 times 2. First, build a model to show 1/8 times 2. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/8 times 2. Now complete the equation. That's it. Let's show the answer on the model. Let's review what you learned today. You used models to multiply a whole number by a unit fraction. Which expression is equivalent to 1/2 times 7?
1/2 times 7 is 7 goes in front, so that's 7 times 2.
Complete the equation.
7 times. Continue.
Find 1/4 times 12. First, build a model to show 1/4 times 12. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/4 times 12. Now, Find 1/5 times 3. First, build a model to show 1/5 times 3. Next, choose the expression that is equivalent to 1/5 times 3. Now, complete the equation.
Equals 3/5.
Here is today's learning target. Use models to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Helen makes 6 friendship bracelets. She gives 1/3 of the bracelets to Sammy. Which expressions can you use to find how many bracelets Sammy gets? Choose all the correct answers.
You're not happy to what?
Which expressions can you use to find how many bracelets Sammy gets? 6 divided by 3.
Make sure you choose all the expressions you can use to find how many bracelets Sammy gets. You can use either of these expressions to solve the problem. Helen gives 1/3 of her 6 bracelets to Sammy. That is the same as dividing 6 bracelets into 3 equal groups and giving Sammy one of those groups. How many bracelets does Sammy get? Complete the equation. Sammy gets 2 bracelets. Denise makes 6 friendship bracelets. She gives 2/3 of the bracelets to Gia. How many bracelets does Gia get?
4.
That's it! 1/3 times 6 equals 2. You can double that amount to find 2/3 times 6. Gia gets 4 bracelets. Janae hikes 2/3 of a 12-mile trail. She wants to know how many miles she hikes. Build a model to show 2/3 times 12. To find 2/3 of a 12-mile trail, first think about 1/3 of 12. Which expression is equivalent to 1/3 times 12?
Expression is equivalent to
Which numbers are equivalent to 12 divided by 3? Choose all the correct answers.
4. Then 3.
12 divided by 3 is equivalent to 12 thirds. 12 divided by 3 is also equivalent to 4. 1/3 of a 12-mile trail is 4 miles. Now that you know how many miles are in 1/3 of a 12-mile trail, you can find how many miles are in 2/3 of a 12-mile trail. Which expressions are equivalent to 2/3 times 12? Choose all the correct answers.
Which expressions are equivalent to 2/3 times 12? 2/3 times 12 is equal to 2 times 4. 2 times 4 and 12. 2 times 12, 3, I guess.
How many miles does Janae hike? Find the product.
8.
Great! 2/3 of a 12-mile trail is 8 miles. Janae hikes 8 miles. Find 4/5 times 15. To find 4/5 of 15, first think about 1/5 of 15. Which expression is equivalent to 1/5 times 15?
15 divided by 5.
Which numbers are equivalent to 15 divided by 5? Choose all the correct answers. 15 divided by 5 is equivalent to 15/5. 15 divided by 5 is also equivalent to 3. Now use what you know about 1/5 of 15 to find 4/5 of 15. Which expressions are equivalent to 4/5 times 15? Choose all the correct answers.
Which expressions are equivalent to
Remember, 1/5 times 15 equals 15/5, and 1/5 times 15 equals 3. You need to find all the expressions that are equivalent to 4/5 times 15.
Well, guys, that's all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you later.
One lesson finished? You finished complete one lesson. Not finished yet?
Not even a second. Wait a minute, guys. The keyboard working. Keyboard working.
Shut up.
Now.
bây giờ Chú Trung thì lại chị
Let's just read the Wait a minute, I can't turn it off.
Shh. You got stop. You stop the record. Also.